Would you like your perfect piece of home on the range? Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and this is Leroy. This is his very first video. He is a 10-year-old gelding, and I'm super excited to have him. Today, we're at our newest listing at 10655 Central Park Avenue in Evansville, Wyoming. This property is almost 20 acres of Wyoming land and an amazing house to go with it. Now, one of my favorite things about this property, besides the remodeled home, is that this house sits off of the road. Let's go look around. Now, this is what we call an entertainer's kitchen. Whether it's Sunday brunch, holiday baking, or just dinner with friends, this space was designed to bring people together. You've got beautiful custom tile, a stainless steel farm sink, and upgraded high-quality appliances that are beautiful. We have the double oven, the gas stovetop, and of course, the French door refrigerator and the dishwasher in the perfect spot by the sink. The open floor plan connects the kitchen to the living room and the dining area, so you'll never miss a conversation or the game on TV while you're refilling drinks or checking the ovens. The master suite is truly a retreat, featuring a huge tiled shower that's bathed in natural light thanks to the Skylight. There's also double sinks, and this bathroom is massive. It's the little luxuries that make everyday living feel just a little more special. On the other side of the home, there are 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom with tile floor and tiled bathtub surround. The luxury vinyl planking goes throughout the main living areas, and there's carpet in the bedrooms. On top of the stylish interior, you've got function too. Metal roof, nice siding, and an enormous powered shed with a loft. This loft has the ability to be turned into a 1-car garage if that works for you. Can't you imagine morning coffee or barbecues with friends on this deck, enjoying Casper Mountain? We would love to show you this property. It's not going to last long. You bring your friends, bring your horses. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.